Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. This brings you to the controls that manage AssistiveTouch. Tap Touch because AssistiveTouch lives there. You need direct access to the toggle to remove the button. If you have Face ID or passcode, unlock first so changes apply. Once done, you'll see the AssistiveTouch switch. This is the control you'll flip. Make sure the device isn't restricted by screen time, because restrictions can prevent toggles from changing. Now tap AssistiveTouch, then switch it off. You're telling iOS to stop drawing the overlay button. You'll see the floating button fade out. This is immediate under normal conditions. If the button persists visually, give the system a few seconds. Sometimes animations or background tasks delay the change. If it still appears, force close Settings and retry the toggle. Make sure other accessibility features aren't set to re-enable it automatically, because shortcuts can toggle AssistiveTouch back on. Finish by confirming the button is gone. Swipe through apps and the home screen to ensure the overlay no longer intercepts touches. Then check Accessibility Shortcut and Control Center to ensure nothing will re-enable AssistiveTouch quickly. If the button stays, restart the iPhone. This clears temporary glitches, or update iOS, because bugs can cause stubborn overlays. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings only. That preserves data while returning these controls to default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.